Hello everyone, today I have a review of another flipper knife made by Third Company, model K4105. In box, the knife comes with the black and brown nylon sheet with zip. I like this kind of solution very much. Manufacturer's logo on the sheet. Inside, a black pouch for storing the knife. Grey wipe for the knife, and the knife itself. Total length is 22.6 centimeters, blade length is 10 centimeters, blade thickness is 3.5 millimeters, steel is D2, it is high alloy tool steel with increased corrosion resistance, tempered between 57 to 61 HRC, the sharpness is great, flat grind, satin and stone wash finish. On the blade there is an inscription 30D2, numbers 37 out of 500, so it's probably a limited edition. Opening with flipper. The knife runs on ball bearings. The handle is on one side a black G10 scale, and on the other side is titanium and frame lock. It is the second frame lock in my life, and this time I also wasn't disappointed. It looks very futuristic and nice. The lock is strong and collapses securely. The knife fits surely thanks to the textured G10. Pocket clip and glass breaker made of blue and grey anodized titanium. Hole for paracord. In summary, interesting and original flipper knife, good looking, it runs very smoothly. The D2 steel does the job and there is no sign of rust. It cuts perfectly, solid and reliable, great for ADC. That's all in this review, thanks for watching.